Good morning class. Exercise 14.1. Today we will start with question number 3. We will do all the 4 questions, question 3, question 4, question 5, question 6 because all are different. In question number 3, draw a line segment AB of length 5 cm. First of all, we have to draw a line segment AB equal to 5 cm. This AB we have drawn with the help of scale as 5 cm. After that, you have to draw an angle 45 degree. After that, you have to draw this angle ABC. You have to draw angle ABC as 45 degree. I have written PAB. You have to draw. I am changing the name. The name will be ABC. C. Make it A, it is B and C. You have to make angle ABC 45 degree with the help of compass. After that, you have to draw the angle. You have to draw the bisector of angle ABC. It means half of 45 degree, that is 22.5 degree. Now look here. First of all, we will learn how to make 45 degree with the help of compass. Yesterday I have already told how to make 45 degree in yesterday's video. First of all, you will draw a semicircle of any radius at point B. After that, you will draw 60 degree. 60 degree will be at Y. Then with the same arc, without disturbing the compass, make 120 degree. Between 120 and 60, 90 degree will lie, and 45 is the angle bisector of 90 degree. It means you have to draw 45 degree from Z, cut an arc, from X, cut an arc. This ABC will be 45 degree. Now you have to make the angle bisector of angle 45 degree. I have already told you how to make 45 degree. From this, at point Y, cut an arc. At point X, cut an arc. This will intersect at point M. It means MBC is 22.5 degree. It means the required angle is MBC equal to 22.5 degree and ABM equal to 22.5 degree and ABC is equal to 45 degree. First we have to make 45 degree. For 45 degree you have to make a 60 degree, then 120 degree. Between 60 and 120, 90 degree will lie, and from 0 degree we will cut an arc, and from 90 degree we will cut an arc. It will become 45 degree. Then from 45 degree and 0 degree we will cut an arc. They both will intersect and it will form 22.5 degree. Now in question number 4, a line segment is given that is 6 cm. AB is a line segment of length 6 cm. First you will draw a line segment AB with the help of a scale of 6 cm. And then after that you have to construct the perpendicular bisector. It means you have to draw a line which bisect this line into 2 equal parts, and it creates 90 degree with that. It perpendiculars mean 90 degree on that line, and bisector means that divides a line into 2 equal parts. It means you have to draw a perpendicular bisector. It's a very simplest construction for drawing. If you have to draw perpendicular bisector on the given line segment, you will put the tip of the compass at point A and with more than half. It means अगर पूरी length 6 cm की है तो 3 से ज़्यादा, more than 3. It means more than 3 cm. You have to take the radius of this compass and cut an arc. ठीक है. And then again from with B as center, with the same, without disturbing the compass, cut an arc. It will intersect at point P. Then again downward also with AS center cut an arc without disturbing the compass, and with the same with BS center draw an arc without disturbing the compass, and then it will intersect at Q. Then you will join this line PQ and it will create a 90 degree at point M. This will intersect AB at this point, and the length of AM will be 3 centimeter, length of MB will be 3 centimeter. It means it will bisect the line AB into two equal parts. If after drawing this perpendicular bisector you can measure this angle, it will come as 90 degree, and you can measure the length of AM, it will become 3 centimeter. You can measure the length of MB, it will also come 3 centimeter. Now steps of construction. I am reading these steps of construction. You have to write this in your geometry copy. Steps of construction on the Hindi line side, and diagram on the white page. With the help of ruler, compass, you will draw the given construction. First you have to draw line segment AB equal to 6 centimeter drawn. Now with A and B as center, देखिए with A and B as center you have to take the radius more than half of the length of AB and draw arc on both the side. You have to draw the arc on both the side. Both the arcs will cut at point P and Q respectively. Then you have to join P and Q, which cuts AB at point M. It means this line, this PQ is perpendicular to AB and AM is equal to BM. Now question number 5. In question number 5, it is given that PQ equal to 5.5 centimeter. It means you have to draw a line segment PQ equal to 5.5 centimeter. With the help of scale, you will draw PQ equal to 5.5 centimeter. Now you have to mark a point M on PQ. It is given in the question. मतलब PQ लाइन सेगमेंट पे एक पॉइंट है, आपको ऐसा मार्क करना है जिससे कि PM की लेंथ 2.5 centimeter आए. This whole PQ is 5.5 centimeter. It is given in the question. You have to mark this point M on this line segment PQ such that PM equal to 2.5 centimeter. Now we have to draw perpendicular on this line at point this. ये केस कैसा है? टू ड्रॉ परपेंडिकुलर एट अ पॉइंट ऑन अ गिवन लाइन. एक लाइन जो आपको लाइन सेगमेंट गिवन है उस पे एक पॉइंट गिवन होगा, उस पॉइंट पर आपको परपेंडिकुलर बनाना है जो कि वो PQ लाइन सेगमेंट से परपेंडिकुलर. फॉर दिस वी विल फर्स्ट, वी नो दिस इज पॉइंट M. वी विल टेक एनी रेडियस, इट्स अप टू यू. You will draw the semicircle like this, and both the semicircle will cut this PQ line at A and B. Now you have to cut an arc with A as center, cut an arc with B as center, cut an arc. It will intersect at point D. Then join this line to M. This is the perpendicular line which is perpendicular to PQ. If you will measure this, it will come 90 degree. जब आपको एक लाइन सेगमेंट गिवन हो, उसी लाइन सेगमेंट पे कोई एक पॉइंट गिवन हो, तो सबसे पहले उस पॉइंट से आप एक सेमी सर्कल ड्रॉ करेंगे. वो उस PQ को किसी दो पॉइंट पर कट करेगा. विद दैट टू पॉइंट्स यू विल कट एन आर्क, एंड फ्रॉम B also you will cut an arc. It will intersect at any point, and then you will join this line. This is a perpendicular on PQ at point M. Point M lie on the given line segment. Now see the steps of construction. First of all, we have drawn this line segment. First step is draw line segment PQ, then PM 2.5. You will mark this point PM 2.5 centimeter. Now after that, with M as center, draw an arc with a suitable radius. It's up to you. Cutting PQ at A and B. PQ पर A और B पर कट करता है. After that, step 2. With A and B as center, radius equal to more than half the length of AB. Draw two arc on the same side of the line AB. यहाँ पे एक आपको आर्क ड्रॉ करनी है दोनों A से और B से सेंटर से. It will intersect at point D. Now step 3, these arcs intersect each other at point D. Now after that join MD. MD is a required perpendicular line, perpendicular to line PQ at a point M. That is MD perpendicular to PQ. Now last question, question number 6. In question number 6, it is given that line segment PQ equal to 7 centimeter, and after that you have to mark a point M on one side of a line PQ, and through that point you have to draw line segment. You have to draw perpendicular onto the line segment PQ. Now a line segment PQ is given. First you will draw a line segment PQ of 7 centimeter. आफ्टर दैट एक ऐसा पॉइंट आपको M लेना है, अपने मन से कहीं भी ले लीजिए, M लेना है जो इसके बाहर. आई हैव टेकन दिस पॉइंट M outside this line segment PQ. On once you can take downward also, but it's preferable to take point M on the upper side of this line segment PQ. After that you have to draw perpendicular through this point. इस पॉइंट से हमको एक perpendicular draw करना है जो कि PQ से perpendicular हो. For this, first of all you will keep the compass like this. At point M you will, and you can take any radius, it's up to you, and cut an arc. Cut an arc that cuts the line segment PQ at X and Y. सबसे पहले क्या करना है, with M as center and any suitable radius you have to draw an arc which cuts the line PQ at X and Y at 2 points. After that, with X as center with more than half radius, cut an arc. With Y as center, more than half radius, cut an arc. This will intersect at point D, then join MD. And the required line will be perpendicular to the line segment PQ. With X and Y as center, you have to draw two arcs of equal radii more than half the length of XY. It will intersect each other at point D below the line segment PQ. Then you have to join M to D. It means it cuts the line PQ at E, and this angle, this will make 90 degree here. This is the diagram. Very simple diagram. सबसे पहले आपको एक लाइन सेगमेंट PQ ड्रॉ करना है, फिर PQ के बाहर एक पॉइंट M लेना है, फिर उस M पॉइंट से हम एक आर्क कट करेंगे लाइन सेगमेंट PQ पर जो X और Y पे इंटरसेक्ट करेगा. फिर X से हम कंपास की टिप रखेंगे, एक आर्क कट करेंगे, Y पर कंपास की टिप रखेंगे, एक आर्क कट करेंगे, फिर इस लाइन को हम लोग ज्वाइन कर देंगे. दिस MD इज परपेंडिकुलर टू PQ. इट मीन्स ME is a required ME is a required perpendicular on the line PQ such that is ME perpendicular to PQ. This is the steps of construction. Thank you class. Now this exercise is completed. Thank you class.